Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta sending the video of the India chapter class 4th SST. Today we will solve the exercise. First we will do the book work. Fill in the blanks. First question is India is the dash largest country in the world. So which number? India is the 7th largest country in the world. Now question number second. India's neighbor on the northwest are which country? Afghanistan and Pakistan. Now question number 3. To the south of the Indian peninsula lies dash ocean. इंडिया के साउथ में कौन सा ओशियन पड़ता है? पेनिनसुलर के पास इंडियन ओशियन. Okay, now question number 4. India has dash state and dash union territories. You know very well, India has the 28 states and 8 union territories. Now we will solve the MCQ. India is located in the continent of Asia. Now based on area, what place does India occupy among the countries of the world? 7th place occupied. Question number 3. The country which lies to the northeast of India is Bhutan. Now study the physical map of India. Into which ocean seas does the river Godavari flows? Okay. This is Bay of Bengal. Now we will discuss horse. The Himalayan mountain ranges are said to have a great influence on India's climate. How do you think a mountain range can influence a country's climate? Yes, mountain range influence the country's climate. The strongest influence a mountain range has no climate. Its mass is acting as a wall that diverts or slow down air flows, and with it measure weather and phenomenon that leads to the air that is flowing towards the range to be forced to change the way or rise up. The latter means that the air gets cooled and it begins to lose capacity to retain water vapor. And the next question is, why do we say that India is a unique country? Yes, India is a unique country. India has a different culture, different religion. It is the place of diversity. People of different customs live together. Everyone have the different festivals, rules, different lifestyle, religions. Thinking is different among everyone. In spite of these, they live together. The diversity in every aspect of society. Even we pledge that we are Indians, we are brothers and sisters. We don't take religion in between us. We work together in group, not bothering about our religion, race, etc. So, we are Indian only. That's why our country is a unique country. Now the question answer. Where is India located? Who are its neighbor? India is located in the south of the continent of Asia. India has several neighbors like Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Which are the ocean bodies that surrounded peninsular India? The southern part of India is surrounded by the water on 3 sides. It has the Indian Ocean on the south, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east. Now question number 3. Why do we say that India is a land of vastly diverse landform? Yes, we say that India is a land of vastly diverse landform because it have plains, hills, mountain, desert, plateau, long coastline, forest and island. Now what is the difference? Next question is, what is the difference between state and union territory? Yes. What is the state? State government is governed by the people of the state. And each state has its own government which is chosen by the people of state. And union territories? The union territories are directly governed by the central government. It is directly governed by the central government. So, this is the difference between state and union territory. Thank you. Now all of you have to write these question answer and book work in your book and question answer in your copy and HOTS in your revision copy. Thank you.